Hello, welcome back to Lalibelate. In this video, we are going to discuss SQL installation and connectivity verification. We are assuming that you already installed Oracle database on your device. Now, let us discuss a few things about SQL. SQL is a procedural language designed as an extension of SQL. Since multiple statements can be combined into a single block of code, it can reduce network traffic and improve database performance. You can also encapsulate database logic within stored procedures, packages, or functions, which will enable you better control over data access and security. Now, let us install the SQL. To install SQL, first we need to download it. To download, open your browser, then type SQL all-round automation. All-round automation is a software company that develop tools which are working with Oracle database. Click this one, then you will land on this window. Click on the free version, then click on the drop-down arrow. Then you will see SQL Developer 64-bit. Then download it. After that, install the SQL Plus. Just double-click the application. After you finish, the system will create a shortcut on your desktop. Then double-click on the shortcut. When we installed Oracle, by default, 3 users were created. The first one is sys, the second one is system, and the third one is system admin. We can use one of them. In my case, I will use sysadmin. Then let us input the same password you used during installation. Leave the database as it is. Then choose as system DBA. Click OK. Now we are expecting that we are connected to Oracle. But to make sure, we need to verify. So to verify, let us write a simple program. As you can see, this is a structure of SQL. Now, we are going to extract the current time from dual table, which is a special table in Oracle used for evaluating expression or calling function. Here, we declare current time as timestamp, then select system timestamp into current time from dual. Then display by converting to character, which is to our own format. This is the format I used. Let us run this program. Just click execute. Then go to the output. So the current time is 18:07. This is how we install and check or verify the connectivity of SQL with Oracle. If you have any question, please use the comment section below. Don't forget to follow Lalibelate on Facebook. Thank you and see you on the next session.